All right, we're gonna do this today, replacing this latch because mine is broken. I already opened it and looked up what I needed, so I ordered a new part from Amazon, about like $6-7, and it came like this. It doesn't come with the. I'll tell you, there's a pin and a spring. It doesn't come with that, so make sure you save the other parts. I'm just gonna show you in a minute. So basically, to open it, you have to use this. I don't know what you call this. These star stools. And I already opened it. Basically, open it, and I opened this one. And when you try to take this off, take it out from the top. Take it out from the top. Go upwards. So these two little lashes, they get stuck in this, slides in, and push it from the top. So this is what we're gonna replace. To take this out, slightly slide your pen towards right, hold it. I just want it to be clear. Take it out. So what you keep, you save these two little pieces, spring and the pin. So what we're gonna do is use this lash. Use this lash. Just put a phone right here that I can show you clearly how this should be done. So right here, this is gonna be like this. So move it to like this right here. Put the spring. Let this little hole over here. Well, it's not clear. Okay, put this spring. There's one little side. Just put that thing in this hole. And slide the pin from outside. You can do that too. Slide it all the way to the other side. I think. Oh, it's not going inside. Okay, hold a second. But I will just do like this. Much easier. Don't forget to put that in a hole, the spring, because that is what is gonna hold the spring at. I think because of it's new, that's why it's a little bit tight. It'll work out a little bit. I'm just gonna hit it with the slowly. Hit it with something. Can go. Okay, now we go back to the place where it's supposed to be hit. So do not put it like this, put it like this, because you want this thing of the spring to be here to make it work. Okay, we're back. What we do like this, or right here at the place, slide the pin slightly to the right, and when it's over here even, push it and push the pin back. Like use something. I'm just gonna use this plastic thing. Anything that you think is not gonna break, don't go too hard. Yeah, okay, this is in the place. So when the spring is over here, right, and this makes spring work. So we are here now to put the cover of this thing back. So these two lashes go over those two holes right here, and the other one here. Okay, go right here. Okay, let me put the frames on there, and I'll have to hold it, and you can see it clearly. Okay, it's right here. And hold that thing, hold the lash. Okay, it's back. Other one. Don't tighten it too much, because this is just to hold a small thing. If you tighten it too much, you're gonna break this thing. So you might need a washer to use it later on if you get to break that one. Hold on a second. Drop the nut. Okay, second one right here. There you go. Brand new. I don't know if you were able to see it. See, there you go. Thank you for watching.